before we have done the formula for question number 1 to 8, we have done all the questions with the simple interest. And the formula for the simple interest was I is equal to PRT over 100. And in some cases of the question, if amount was required to, so we find out the formula. We find the amount by using this formula, that amount is equal to principal plus interest. Clear? But now this is from the question number 9 to 11. We have to do these questions by using the compound interest formula. So, bache, the formula for the compound interest is, first of all, we have to find out the amount in that one. And the amount formula is P into 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n, where I explained you yesterday that A is for amount, P for the principal. Principal is the amount that you are going to borrow from the bank, or you are depositing in the bank. R is a rate of interest. Rate of interest, that when you are depositing your money for specific time period to the bank, so bank is giving you some rate of interest. And N is here number of years. N is number of years. And after that, we have the formula for the compound interest, that the compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. This is the formula of the compound interest. So first of all, you have to find out the amount, and then after that, you have to find out the compound interest. So let's start with the question number 9. So you can say that Kate places $5,000 in her bank account. So what will be the principal over here? The principal amount is $5,000. Principal amount is $5,000. The bank offer an interest of the 8% per annum compounded yearly. As I told you yesterday, that whenever the compound interest question is there, the compounded word will be there. Clear? So as it is mentioned in the question, that the bank offers an interest of 8% per annum compounded yearly. So we are going to write that the rate of interest is equal to 8%. Find the total interest in her account at the end of 3 years. The time is also given to us, that is 3 years. So let's start with the formula. First of all, we have to find out we have to start the formula with the amount. So amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n. Substitute the values in this one. Principal is given 5,000 into 1 plus R is a rate of interest, that is 8 over 100, and raised to power n, number of the years, that is 3. So beta, you have to do this calculation, that do 1 plus 8 over 100 raised to power 3 and tell me the answer. 1 plus 8 over 100 collectively power 3. So write on your calculator in the bracket sign, then 1 plus 8 over 100, then close the bracket and then take the cube and tell me the answer. जी बच्चे,
Miss 6298.56.
That's the final answer. Before multiplying with the 5,000, I want that answer. Not the final one.
1.26.
All the numbers, bache, 1.259. Yes?
Yeah.
259712 is coming. When you multiply with the 5,000, we are getting the answer $6298.56. This is the answer for the amount. And the question is, find the total interest in her account at the end of 3 years. We have to find out the total interest, mean we have to find out the compound interest over here. So I'm going to write the formula for the compound interest, that is equal to amount minus principal. So substitute the values over here. Amount we have 6298.56, and the principal we had 5,000. When we are going to subtract it, we are getting the answer $1298.56. This is the answer for the compound interest.